Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Vedic Astrology. Hope you all are doing great and learning well. In today's chapter, we will learn about Cancer Ascendant chart. We will learn what all are malefic, benefic and neutral planets for Cancer Ascendant. So let's start the video, and as usual, we follow the mantra before beginning every chapter. Now join your hands together and recite Om Sahana Bhavatu सहना भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. This is Cancer Ascendant chart. As we can see, number 4 Cancer is written in the first house. The Lord of Cancer is Moon, hence Moon becomes the most benefic planet for this ascendant, as it is the ascendant lord. Next, after Moon, the Lord of 5th house, which is Mars, number 8 is written here, Scorpio sign, and the Lord of Scorpio is Mars. The Lord of 5th house, Mars, is the second benefic planet for Cancer ascendant chart, and also the Lord of 9th house, as we have already discussed that Lord of 5th and 9th house are the benefic planet for a particular ascendant chart. So here Jupiter number 12 is written here, Pisces, in the Pisces sign, which the Lord of Pisces is Jupiter, as we all know. So here Jupiter and Mars, they both become the benefic planet for this ascendant chart. We should note that Mars will be giving better result in general for Cancer ascendant, as it is also the lord of a center house, which is the 10th house. So being the lord of 10th house and the 5th house, after Moon, Mars becomes the most benefic planet for Cancer ascendant chart in general. Why I am saying in general? It's because the prediction is done based on the placement of the particular planet in the chart. These things what we are learning are also important, because in general Mars is a benefic planet, it is bound to give good result, but how much result and what kind of results Mars can give in the chart, that depends upon its placement. Sometimes a benefic planet gets placed malefically or gets placed in the trine houses, or may be afflicted by some malefic planets, can give negative results or is unable to give the best result that it can give as per their strength in the chart. So these details we will learn in upcoming videos. As of now, we understand that after Moon, Mars is the second benefic planet for this ascendant chart. Why I am not saying Jupiter as benefic as Mars? Because Jupiter here is also the lord of 6th house, which is a trine house. Though Jupiter is the lord of 9th house and it's a natural benefic planet, also it is friends with Moon, it is bound to give good result. It is considered as the auspicious and benefic planet. But being a 6th house lord, it will also give some results of the 6 houses, which mostly will be related to career competition, where if the strong placement or positive placement of Jupiter can give good result to the person having Cancer ascendant chart, and if the Jupiter is strong and the Jupiter's dasha is running, the person can do better in the competition exams. So it is not necessarily that it will give benefic result, it will give good results and it is a benefic planet, but its placement might create some difference in the result we get from the particular planet. So we have discussed first house, 5th house and 9th house. Now we can come to the second house. Second house lord is Sun, as number 5 Leo is written here. As we all know, the Sun and Moon are the best friends, and since they are friends, Sun becomes a benefic planet for Cancer Ascendant. As we have learned, if the Lord of second house is friends with Ascendant, it becomes benefic. If it is enemy, it becomes malefic. So here Sun is friends with Moon, so it becomes a benefic planet. Next is third house. Third house, number 6, Virgo is written. The Lord of Virgo is Mercury. Mercury here is also the Lord of 12th house, which is a trine house. Number 3, Gemini is written. So Mercury being the Lord of third house, which is not so good house, and the 12th house, which is a trine house, bad house, Mercury becomes the bad malefic planet for Cancer Ascendant chart. Next we come to fourth house, number 7, Libra is written here. The Lord of Libra is Venus. Venus here is also the Lord of 11th house, where number 2, Taurus sign is mentioned. Venus is here the Lord of 4th house, which is a good house, and the 11th house, which is a normal house. It has some negative and positive, both the results. But it being the enemy of the ascendant, it becomes a neutral planet for this ascendant. It is neither giving good results nor bad result. Overall, its placement will decide what kind of result it is capable of giving. But in general, Venus becomes a neutral planet as it is a natural benefic, also the Lord of 4th house, Lord of 11th house, but being enemy to the ascendant. So it has some positive strength, it has some negative strength. Being the enemy of this ascendant Moon, it becomes negative. Being the Lord of 4th house, it becomes positive. So both having both the positive and negative, it becomes a neutral planet for this ascendant chart. We have discussed 5th house, we have discussed 6th house. Now we come to the 7th house. 7th house Lord is here is Saturn. As number 10, Capricorn is written here. We all know the Lord of Capricorn is Saturn. Saturn here is also the Lord of 8th house, which is number 11, Aquarius sign. Saturn here is a Lord of 7th house and the 8th house, which is a trine house, and it is the enemy of Moon. So here Saturn becomes a malefic planet for this ascendant chart. We have discussed 9th house, 10th house and 11th house lords. So here what we have learned, that the benefic planets are Moon, Mars and Jupiter. Neutral planet is Venus, and yes, Venus is neutral, and the malefic planets are Mercury and Saturn. Now we talk about Rahu and Ketu. As we have learned in the previous videos, Rahu and Ketu are bitter enemy with Moon and Sun both. Reason, we know the story, how the Rahu and Ketu were born, how Lord Vishnu cut the head of a demon, and since they had already tasted the nectar, they became Rahu and Ketu. So because of that incident, Rahu and Ketu share bitter enmity with Moon and Sun. Hence, they are 100% malefic planet for Cancer ascendant chart. They are not giving bad result. However, still their strong and positive placement or positive aspect can give some good result. But overall, they both are malefic planet for Cancer ascendant chart. Now you can download the file from the description box link, and then you can read whatever we have discussed in written. It is mentioned here. You can go through it again. We just missed to tell you the Lord of 5th house, the Isht Dev for the Lord of 5th house. As we all know, the Isht Dev is always the Lord of it is always connected to the Lord of 5th house. So Mars is here the Lord of 5th house, and its deity is Lord Hanuman. So by worshipping Lord Hanuman, one can strengthen his 5th house and get best result which we can expect from Mars. Whatever the characteristics of Mars is, so whatever results Mars is capable of giving, if we strengthen it by worshipping Lord Hanuman, it will give its best results. Then we have all the Details here: favorable planets Mars, Jupiter and Sun, unfavorable or malefic planets Saturn and Mercury, neutral planets Venus. You can download it, watch the video again by keeping this chart with you, or you watch the video, or you first read this handout first and then you watch the video. It is up to you how it is convenient for you. From my side, I would suggest you that you watch the video first without keeping the handout with you, as you might get little confused. First watch the video, then take out the print and then you go through it again. If you have any confusion with that printout, then you can watch the video again keeping the printout along with you. You can pause it, revise it and then learn it. Hope till now it is clear to you. All the ascendant till Cancer we have discussed, it is clear to you. In the next chapter, we will learn about Leo ascendant, the lord of which is Sun. We will learn about its malefic, benefic and neutral planets. Till then, do your revision. And if you are liking my video, if you think these are knowledgeable, you are getting some knowledge, you are learning good about astrology from my videos, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel, share and like the videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.